nickels for my thoughts, dimes in my head, corners the cushion, the lies in my head. I don't know the rest of the lyrics, but please forgive me because I don't know the rest of the lyrics. YouTube, what's going on, guys? You guys already know it's 360 Wasn't. I'm back at it again with another video for you guys. Here's the thing, is that somebody got salty because I roasted him. Okay, and when I read the comment, it came to me. It came to me who I roasted, and it was like I already knew. This guy got roasted so hard. He had to come in the comments. I'm not going to say the words because, you know, I don't really want that on his channel like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and just get over it. You guys can see it. I'm not just going to say it, though. He said, you know what? Yo, blank A, O'Farrell, head shape, but you about ugly as booty crap. Boy, you is booty at ball, just like your ways. My name is Young Wavy. Done you rated a 4. But you probably live in a poverty poor blank, get your clothes from Goodwill, and you drank bath water and poodle water, and bottled water is caked with mud, and the bottom stank, but only got 13K subs, but boy, 360 Woods, K at me. I know who it is, okay? I know who it is and who I rated, because I only know one person I rated a 4 in that video, and I mean, hey, you just salty because you got a 4. For the people that don't know why this person would comment this on roasting my subscribers, well, obviously he got roasted. But let's just take a second and look back. All right. Listen. Hurry up. I do it when I want to. We're at a good stage. It's a kid. Oh, that was a kid. Oh. Hey, look, kid. I'm sorry for that. But dude, I give you a solid 4. Alright, it's not because you rush. You still put in that brush, alright? So yeah, that's what happened. Okay, now look, on this channel, I'm not doing this to really make you guys mad or really trying to get in your face or any of that. Look, it's all up. I'm really making content for you guys. That's all I'm doing. I'm not really trying to, you know, I'm a cool dude. Now that we got all that out the way, it's time to just start roasting y'all ways back to back. Let's get it. Here we go. We in it. Let's get it. All right. You put a little surfboard.
This surfboard raining on that wood. Raining on that.
All right. But you definitely are surfing on that. All right. You know, I see you. You swimming. I can't really see your side, so like I'm saying, and then you missing like a little tiny wave right here, you know what I'm saying? It's like wave and then stop, you feel me? Wave and then stop, you feel me? Wave and then stop, you feel me? Wave and then stop. Okay, you need to get that fixed, wolf a little bit so then the rest of your hair can get to its curling, because I'm not really seeing any waves on your sides, so I'm probably going to doubt you got waves in the back. So really wolf out so then you guys can, you know, yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rate you a solid 6, okay? Okay, Ryan. Alright, Ryan. This is what we doing. So this is the photo you wanted me to rate. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Alright, okay.
Okay. Alright, okay.
Now, your waves, they in there, okay? The 3 waves that you have right now, they in there, alright? They in there. But here's the thing, alright? Here's the thing, Ryan, is you got 3 waves, but they in there, but I can't see nothing. And bro, I haven't been on your channel enough to know if you got a fade or what you got going on, okay? We're gonna give him a solid 7, okay? 7, because I need a better picture than this, okay? It's a dope picture, but I can only see the top. I need to know if you got waves on the sides, you know, if you're a 183, I gotta know, okay? So you only sending me the top now, like, I need something like this, you feel me? I need a better picture. This one right here. Rate them. Get it. We in it. We get it. We whipping it.
Hell no. Delete all that shit.
Look like you going more for a 540, my dog, because it kind of looks like it's going like this a little bit from looking at your crown area. But oh, he sent me a video. Like I said, no music. All right, cool. We good. All right, he in there, bro. I still can't tell what pattern you're going. It look like his crown wants to swirl, but I don't know. We're going to keep looking at some more. Hold on. Yeah, I think he's definitely going for 360. You know, he in there a little bit. Need to solidify his pattern a little bit, but he in there. I'm just going to pretend that didn't happen. You need to solidify your pattern. If you're going to go beehive, swirl, whatever it is. It looked like 360. beehive, but I can see that one wave and wanting to go into that crowd like a swirl. So I don't know, you need to solidify your pattern, get that stuff trained. I'm gonna give you a solid 7 too. I know there was some people from my live that I said I was gonna rate. Hit it right here. So this dude got 540s just like me. Alright. We gonna go ahead, we gonna just watch it. We gonna watch it, alright? Here you go. Yeah. Let me know down in the comments right now. Right now, if this dude right here is spinning, he is spinning. Like, just let me know if he's spinning harder than me. I gotta know. I gotta know if this dude is spinning harder than me right now, because this dude is in there. He in there. He in there. All right. Last time y'all already know, I gave an award away. I gave an award for who won that episode. Now I might have to take this award back out. I'm gonna have to take it back out, and I'm gonna have to give it to him this time for this episode, cause should I give him the award? Like you might have to take the award, dude, because that was pretty. You got some dope waves. You feel me? Just go ahead, take the award. That's all I got. Just take it. Just take it. Just take the award. All right, just take it. But I'm gonna rate you a solid 10, dude. You came in my live. You showed off your waves, thinking you spinning harder than me. Okay, but I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure this is the dude that was in my live. I'm trying to tell y'all, he definitely got a 10. You skipped past me in the last video. Well, you know I got you right now. Wavy Kid Charles. You in it, bro. You in it, bro. Let's go. Come on. Okay. All right. Look like a, what? Coarse hair. That look like a coarse hair wave. You know? All right. I see you. Let me see. Oh, yeah. You in there. Y'all, I do need to get my AirPods. I need my AirPods so bad. Y'all used to clown me in these videos about my AirPods. Bro. I swear I'm about to get me another pair of AirPods. I missed them AirPods. I need some more. If y'all want to send me some, go ahead, send me some. I mean, come in the DMs, whatever. Be like, bro, I'm trying to give you some AirPods. Can I get the Addy? Give you them I'll definitely give you my. Bro, you is all up in that camera though, bro. I'm really trying to keep the roast level on 1, but it's starting to go up to 7. It's going up to 7 right now. You know what? We're going to hurry up and get off this picture before the roast level come on. I'll give you an 8, to be honest. I feel like you can get that pattern a little bit more set in, you know what I'm saying? But you definitely spin it. Just don't send no more pictures like that to nobody. I don't care if you put it on your Snap story or your Instagram story. I don't care what it is. Do not, I repeat, do not go like this. You feel me? Don't do this. Don't do this right here. All right, don't do this. It just look weird. I'm just trying to save you. Look, I'm trying to save you. Because, you know, us boys, we get these females, you know what I'm saying? We get these females, you know, using our waves, you know what I'm saying? But you don't want the waves to affect you getting your females, you know? You guys know what I'm saying, right? You guys know what I'm saying, all right? Just don't make that face. Like, do light skin or something, you know what I mean? Boy, if you don't do that, do something, you know what I'm saying? Don't do that. I'm trying to say, we gonna go ahead and we gonna try to get 2 more. We gonna try to get 2 more because I'm nice like that. All right, I'm nice like that. So we gonna go ahead and get you in here, bro. Come on, bro. All right. Okay, I can only see a top. You 36. You sent me a video. Send me. Do the 360. I want to see it, bro. I want to see it. You know, they don't call me 360 Woods for nothing. I want to get the 360 view of the waves. All right, but when I'm looking at it, I'm gonna have to give you a 7, bro. I'm gonna have to, because I can't see your whole head, bro. I can't see your whole head. I need that 360 view. That's all I'm saying. My dog. There's really not a lot of people I can roast. I'm getting people, but I can't really roast you guys. Y'all ain't doing nothing really to really get roasted. You feel me? Update how we looking. Okay. Wow, this dude really be sending me pictures. All right. Let's see what you looking like, bro. Okay. I see you, bro. He at the ripple stage right now. Alright, but he sent me a lot of pictures. So I'm going to have to allow this. Hold on, so we can see them all. Alright. It was March 14th. What is it? I think today's March 19th.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bitch, what?
But you still in the ripples, bro. Still in the ripples. Alright, bro. I see you, cuz. Oh, what the heck? How in the world? Y'all saw that too, right? Wait, hold on. This is 9 weeks. This is 2 weeks. He got this in 5 weeks. This progress in 5 weeks. I gotta see this. Hold on, bro. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Bro, this is motivation for y'all, bro. Hold on. This really got me. He sent me his whole like story of like when he started. No, he not a 180. It don't look like. Maybe he woofing. Yeah, you may be woofing in there. I don't know. But his top really got. All right, yeah, that's the final. So yeah, he is spinning like from where he was. Since he sent me a timeline of where, and then now where he's at now. Shit crazy, bro. I'm gonna give you a solid 9, bro. And it's not even. It's just how fast you got your progress, bro. That stuff is crazy to me. We gonna get one more. We gonna get one more. So whoever coming up in here about to be swimming. This from March. This from May 2nd. Wait, what month are we in? What month are we in? Oh, it's May 18th. Oh snap! I'm a whole month behind. It's May 18th. Boy, I only got 2 weeks of school left. Let's go! Oh, snap. I just got a better move, bro. Oh, I got 2 weeks. 2 weeks of this hell on, bro. All right, let's go. We're going to end this video on a good note. All right, he's swimming. He's swimming. Let me check this video out. He in there. All right, he got his waves nice and laid. You can see the depth in the waves. He in there. I definitely say he in there. I like a little bit more depth in my waves, but he got it laid. Like you don't see not a single hair sticking up. You know what I'm saying? So he got them boy laid. I give you a solid 9. Mostly because you need to work on your connections a little bit, but you definitely know what you're doing. So keep doing what you're doing. Maybe a little bit cone work. You know what I'm saying? But that's all I gotta say. You definitely ended the video on a good note. Guys, I forgot to also tell you guys that we are going to be starting another series. I definitely did on my Instagram story, I definitely told you guys to leave me some people that you guys wanted me to, check out, react to their channels. The series is going to be called Roasting My Subscribers Channel. I don't know, I kind of like doing this. I kind of like seeing what my subscribers are doing, their channel, meeting different people. That's why I would also go live. So, you know what? You guys really need to follow me on Instagram, 360_woods. Go ahead and do it because I ask you guys questions that are most likely going to be in my next video, or I go ahead and I just go live and I like to interact. I try to get everybody and their mama in my live. Okay, I really like talking to you guys, interacting with you guys, and really get to know who my supporters are because I really do, from the bottom of my heart, guys, I really do love all of y'all. I really can't do this without you guys. But like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why won't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below, because you guys already know. Leave you guys comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, because you guys already know we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out.